Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Colorado ZR2, power windows, locks, and mirrors, your automatic headlights, as well as your 4x4 dial. You have integrated trailer braking system, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, keyed ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen for navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, single zone climate control. With traction control, we do have dual heated seats up front though as well. Independent electronic locking differentials, signature for the Colorado ZR2. Column shifter, wireless charging pad. We have the Bose audio throughout as well, and the all black interior. Black heated Colorado ZR2 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2, we have the 17-inch wheel and tire package with the ZR2 branded rims, only available on the Colorado. We do have the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires as well. Multimatic DSSV spool sensitive dampening system throughout the Colorado ZR2. We have color-matched door handles as well as Colorado on the front door. Color-matched mirror caps coming down to the front of the vehicle. We do have the factory lift kit as well, making room for the big wheel and tire package. We do have recovery hooks and metal skid plates underneath the belly of the ZR2 Colorado. Redesigned front grille with the Chevrolet flow tie. Halogen light bulbs as well, making our way back down the side. Rear tinted privacy windows. The ZR2 does come with the factory remote start, as well as the factory wide body. Fender flares coming out of the body there as well. Making our way to the back, you have your Colorado ZR2 branded tailgate step-ups have been shaved on the rear bumper for better departure angles. Trailer tow pack available as well on the ZR2. We have the bed factory line there as well with ZR2 right in the bed. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with dome lighting. We do have the dual USB ports and a 12-volt there as well. And we have the tons and tons of room in the back of the crew cab Colorado ZR2. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Colorado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.